welcome back to the channel. Today is gonna be a very short video that I have filmed the other day. If you've been following the channel, I have told you that I have a cupboard right behind there that was basically being left abandoned since pre-Brexit preps. It's one of those things that when I was prepping for Brexit, I have obviously other storage places where I kept the stuff. And since obviously the preparation have increased, my different positions of where I stock stuff obviously have changed. And this cupboard had been left literally just untouched. I really don't know why. It's a fairly big cupboard. I think it's about 80 wide by normally 60 deep, so it's quite a big one. And the whole idea is I'm showing you this video. I filmed the inside this cupboard, not right now. I filmed this earlier when I was clearing this out. And I've posted the thing on Instagram, and people said, oh, people really would like to know what was in my cupboard. And basically the purpose of this video, I will show you what I've taken out of this cupboard and the importance of not forgetting to look through your stock, or your stockpile, and to actually make sure you know exactly what you have and you know exactly where the dates are there. So as I have mentioned, I filmed this on the off whim. I've started taking stuff out, and then I thought, of course, you might want to see what's inside there. So I'm going to put the video and the end of me talking so you can have a look what was inside this cupboard. So without further ado, here it comes. Scary times. So hi guys, this was the content of my cupboard, the scary cupboard in the corner of my kitchen. I did mention this in a video and I was going to show you. I was absolutely shocked the amount of stuff that is there and the condition. Some bits on the top, like at the front, I've been pushing to the front of the cupboard, but I did mention that behind it was just like old stuff that's been sitting there, and I was so scared to get to it. And look what I found. My god, I've had some pickled beans, but the jar is literally just rotted through. It's absolutely crazy. This probably was there for like 3-4 years, so not particularly that long, but I have all of those with the red lids. They all have this, so they all rusted through, so they all have to be thrown away. But it's just like, I've been prepping this cupboard since pre-Brexit, and I've never really had a chance to tidy this up afterwards, so it's just been sitting there. I don't know why I was not looking through it or eating the stuff, but it's like those things here, they are, I think it was like 2020. I know, that's 2021, that's not too bad. Probably still be okay, but this is what, best before 2020. Oh my god, this is scary, and it's all just like grubby. I think the rust bit from those jars are gone through the and basically dribbled everywhere. Oh, so we've got some beans, some pesto, yay. What date is that? No, that's not too bad. 23, that's still in date. I had a jar of, I bought this in one of the foreign shops. If you can see this is 2014. This is absolutely scary. This is how bad this is. This is such, I feel like this is such a waste of products. We went to the, what year is that? I can't see. 2021. We went to like Chinese shop years ago, and I still have some stuff, and I have no idea really how well this stuff keeps. It's Pasha come visit. Hi Pash. Pussycat. So yeah, basically that's, I've got a really dented tin. That's, oh my god, it's 2016. This is terrible. I've got to throw that away. This is absolutely ridiculous. I am so ashamed of keeping all that stuff here and not tidying this up. All my cupboards genuinely are really well organized and prepped, but this one has just been a scary cupboard. So this was, I think, pickled onion, I think. But this is all manky. It's all kind of crappy. Oh, I found this though. Look at that. It's a big Tabasco one. There's a big one. Hopefully still in date, mind you. Oh yeah, that's 25. It must be gonna be that old. But yeah, look, that's 2018. That's 4 years past date. I love lychees, but I don't know if I'm gonna be managing to eat that. This is scary. But it tells you guys, right? Sorry. Tells you guys you can't have your cupboards unattended, and that was just the only one that I have. That's a walnut oil. 2020 dented lid. I've got some salsa, balsamic dressing. That should be okay. Well, that's 322, so that's past the date. Satay sauce. That's 2020. It's like, it's a forgotten cupboard, kid you not, guys. Oh, asparagus, look. I've got some asparagus and dates on that. 2017. I remember buying this and I can't believe that's like 5 years ago. This is crazy. Oh yeah, I have some latest stuff there. Oh, I have some salmon. Let's see. There's a big jar of salmon in there. No idea what age that is. I have to clean everything what I'm keeping and put it back in. June 22, so that's best before past, but that's not too far out, so I have to cook something with that fairly soon. Tomato purees, that's 22. I had one here that was, no, that's 22, that's not bad. I've seen one from like 2017 as well, I think. But yeah, this is the most scariest thing for me. It's like, God knows what happened to that. I suppose acid eaten through the lid, I don't know. So we've got coconut milk, again, really dented badly. I don't know why. Straight into the bin. 2019, crazy. So yeah, here we are, guys. So, yes, the lesson in this one, guys, is I'm just going to clear all this out because I have found some flour and I had some bugs in it as well. So the lesson is I'm just going to clear all this out. We've got plug socket there for our plug socket. And, oh, some tins up there. And I think I've got to basically reschedule and keep this cupboard for basically what it's meant to be for the stuff they actually use. So here we are. Anyway, guys, over and out, and I see you in the next video.